Alright, I just want to show you real quick how the content aware option works, and I'm just using the lasso tool, and I'm just going to go ahead and roughly go around this, then go back down, and then I'm going to hit the delete key. When I hit the delete key, change it to content aware, hit OK, give it a chance to think and process, and then it's going to basically remove the sun, which is what I want. Hit Control D or Command D, and then when you zoom in, hitting Control plus or minus on a PC, Command plus or minus on a Mac. Take your brush tool, hit the B for brush tool, and then I want to do the stamping tool. I'm going to hit the S, and I'm going to get that up. Okay, a little bit large. Going to reduce that by hitting the bracket keys, and then I'm just going to go ahead and hit the Alt key, and then I'm going to clone. Okay, you want it to kind of look a little random, so going back in and randomly, and I do it repeatedly just to kind of clear up that weird little shift in the photo, so that's how you use that tool.